Secretary Briones, let me go to school opening. Is there a plan on which month school will actually reopen?
We have been having nationwide consultations. I've had meetings with the executive committee, with a management committee as a whole na yan, buong bansa. And we have also consulted our external partners, businesses, education experts, etc. And the leaning is towards August for opening. Ngayon, we have to operate within the requirements of law. Ayon sa batas, we should open classes first week of June up to the last day of August. So yun ang window namin. Pero ang mukhang trend na lumalabas is really for August. But in the meantime, Pinky, I have to mention that AITF is now in the process also of making assessments in relation to ECQ. So whatever decisions or recommendations AITF will submit to the President will have an effect also on our graduation ceremonies. But the law is very clear. First week of June, last day of August, with a preference, very clearly declared preference for August. Whether it's last week, first week, we'll see how it goes.
And Secretary Briones, if it starts in August, because you said the trend looks like it's going to happen in August, ang mangyayari ho ba niyan, they will end school in May? Or dadagdagan na lang po ng oras at araw posible yung August na school opening para matapos po sila ng March or April?
Tama ka, Pinky. Ang concern namin, gusto namin matapos din by March, but at the same time, mag-comply ng number of days which is required by law for students to be learning. So, pinakonsider namin ang possibility, for example, of Saturday classes, pero hindi yung mga face-to-face classes. They can do their work at home. And this is where we need the cooperation of parents, of yayas, of lolos, of lolas, in seeing to it or helping the children comply. Oo, pero hindi kailangan na papasok sila. Oo, para hindi naman mabuboard yung mga bata on Saturday. So, ibang klase yung sinasabi natin ngayon, yung alternative delivery modes na ang tinitingnan natin. Hindi lamang yung face-to-face dahil sanay na sanay tayo dyan, pero mga paraan where the teachers can get in touch with their students largely virtually, tapos they can access the DepEd Commons. So, mababawi din namin yon sa bilangan ng araw kasi we have to follow the law of 180 days at least of really real school work for the children.